Unleash full performance in a compact form with the K75 customized mechanical keyboard, featuring 81 keys with full key rollover. This 75% layout saves space without compromising function. The added multimedia knob makes volume control effortless, while a single press toggles your keyboard lighting. Experience triple mode connectivity. Switch seamlessly between Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G wireless or USB-C wired. Designed for versatility, it's compatible with PCs, Macs, laptops, PS4 and even Xbox. With the editable RGB lighting and transparent PC keycaps, every keystroke shines. Plus, the gasket-mounted structure and EVA foam ensures quiet, cushioned typing for maximum comfort. Equipped with hot-swappable linear switches, the K75 lets you customize freely, no soldering needed.
Remember to follow to find great products at wholesale prices.